Let's talk about cyberlinks. First things first, we've got to head over to sib.ai. Congratulations, you've made it, connected with your wallet of choice, and you're signed in and ready to be a part of the superintelligence. So let's drop it down and head over to My Robot. This is going to get you started with your robot, your profile, more or less. For me, I'm going to go ahead and head down to my tweets and show you kind of what I've got here. I've already wrote something up. I want to show you guys the process. So let's go ahead and drop that in where it says what's happening. Got it there. We're going to tweet it. All right, so now we have to confirm this transaction because it is on the blockchain. Boom, that's simple, zero gas fee, and fuck Google. All right, cool. Now that's posted, we've got it out there. Now let's see how this is all kind of connected, and let's break it down as simple as we can. So think of this as like your feed. So I've posted this into my feed. Here's all of my content, and sort of like a hashtag, these particles, they're all connected. And in this case, when you do a tweet, it's going to automatically be tagged as a tweet so your followers can find you. So just like other hashtags, we're going to want to add other things. So in this case, I have added crypto news. So if you search for crypto news, this article will come up. And it happens to be about XRP. So we want to throw that in there. So if you're looking for XRP content, you're going to be able to find it quickly, easily. And if the community embraces it, it's going to have a high count so that people are going to be able to see that. So now you can see we're back to the original article here. We haven't left. Nothing's different. We've just posted these just like a hashtag. So when you click on XRP, you can see there's other content that has actually been posted under this already. Not too much at this point as we continue to build out the network. But again, it's right there. It's connected. All right, so back here at the original article, we're going to take this a step further. We're going to click on crypto news, and you can see that there's other content in here, and you can obviously see the original article. And when we go through and we click on any of these other particles inside of this, such as crypto, you can see that there's more particles. And so you start digging further and further, kind of down to the rabbit hole here, and you can see that there's been a ton of content generated with that tag crypto. So there you have it. That's really your brief overview of all of this. And don't forget, this is going to require you to use your energy. And so we'll dig into that next time. But this is a pretty solid and basic function to get you started. So, all right, cool. Good luck, guys.